Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the Gucci Kika Web Sandals that I purchased in the summertime. You guys have been asking me questions about it, and I did promise to do an official unboxing review because the other one that I did was kind of impromptu. When the box came in, I was like, okay, let me record or whatever. So this one is more structured. This one is more put together. So yeah, and this one is more intentional. So I am going to tell you whether it's worth it or not, whether I think it's worth it or not to get them, and what is my experience wearing them already, since I've worn them already. And yeah, so this is the update, so keep watching if you want to know. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. These are the Gucci Kika Web Sandals. OMG. I think you could tell already, but I got these in the summertime, and yeah, so let me just give you a look at it. These are sandals. These sandals are by Gucci, and as you can see, like this part here, the strap is very durable. Like, it's fabric on the outside, and then on the inside it's leather, but it's hard. As you can see, it's very, very strong. It's very, very hard. And then the hardware on here is gold and silver. I thought that was awesome. Now, for the sandal itself, the platform, it's brown with the web design all around it, and if you touch it with your finger, you can feel it like it's raised on it. I mean, that's what really sold me on this, because it's one thing to see the pictures online, but when I went to Saks and I saw it in person, I was just like, you guys saw the video. Check out my 4th of July video when I just went, you know, looking in Saks, and I was like, and I went back and forth in my mind over and over, should I get these guys, because these are pricey. This is a luxury item, so you don't really need to get them. This is like a wants and needs and wants. Which one you're gonna get? But yeah, so then it has the Gucci sign right here, and then on the back of it, it has the Gucci logo here. It's brown here, and then it has like that black part there. As you can see, that's what it's looking like. And I'm giving you guys a thorough look at it because, you know, some people don't have time to go in the store or whatever have you, and you just want to have a good realistic look of what these sandals are looking like. So I wore them on my trip to Florida in November. I had a trip to Florida, and I decided to wear them. And guys, I love these. I love these. I love these. I love these. I have nothing bad to say about them. Some people may have something to say about the price, but in all honesty, if you're purchasing a real Gucci, you know you're gonna pay money. So I'll show you the box that it comes in. It comes in this box right here. As you can see, the box has, it's such a pretty box. I'm trying to do it so you can see the lighting. Yeah, and then the box says Gucci right there, and I purchased mine from Saks. I originally purchased them from the Saks website, and I had to take them back because there was a problem with the sole. Like, they were separated, and I was like, no. So what I did, instead of sending them back, I went to the actual store at Saks, and I have a video up on it. I'll link both of the videos in the description. I took them back. They were very, very wonderful. Customer service was amazing. They let me switch them right away so that I could get what I wanted, and so I had no issues. So they come in a box like this, and then, you know, they put the wrapping stuff. Like, I still got my box. I keep all my boxes and stuff like that. So they come with dust bags, so when you're traveling, you can put them in the dust bags. So awesome. Just like this, look. Too cute, too bougie. Look at that. Those who know, you know. And just like that. So when you're traveling, you can just put them in your bag and you're good to go. So I think that's really cute. Now with sizing, I usually wear a size 7 in sandals. And generally I wear a 7 to an 8. It really depends on the company, the brand. But this is a European brand, so you know that their stuff is gonna run a little bit smaller. So I purchased the size 38, which I believe is equivalent to an 8, their sizing though, and it fits perfectly. So I'm gonna definitely try these on for you guys. Since this is the official review and unboxing, so that you can see what they look like on, and I will add that clip in the video. But yeah guys, I love it. In terms of comfort, I wore these for a whole day and I didn't have any issues with them. They don't have cushion, so this part here is pretty flat, but it's like a sandal, a slipper. They look really cute on your feet because when you have them on, like this part is like what stands out, the gold and the silver, and of course the green and the red, you know, everyone knows that that's Gucci. But then when you take them off, like this design, I just think it's a very well made sandal. It's leather, the soles are leather, the straps are very, very strong. They're not flimsy straps at all, as you can see the thickness of it. Like you see, I'm touching, like it has structure to it. So these are really good, and I believe they will last you for a good while. So if you're in the market for a good pair of sandals that are luxury name brand, and you know, something that you feel that you're going to keep in your wardrobe for a while, yes, I definitely recommend them. If you're thinking about purchasing them as a gift for someone, they are gonna love you because these are really, really, really nice. And you know, some people may not be able to afford these all the time, so maybe you have to save up for it, or maybe you'll put it on your credit card and make payments. Another way you can save, which is how I did, was that I used my Rakuten account. Rakuten gives you discounts on lots of stores online that you probably already shop at. I used Rakuten and they had a 10% off from Saks. So I purchased them from Saks, which is an authorized dealer, Saks Fifth Avenue, an authorized dealer of Gucci and a lot of other luxury brands. They're a member with Rakuten. So I did that. I also used my credit card to get points, cash back on that. And I just paid the bill in full at the end of the month. And Rakuten will send you money. I will leave the information for my Rakuten, because if you sign up using my code, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. And yeah, so definitely take advantage of Rakuten. I know Bloomingdale's is on Rakuten, Saks Fifth Avenue is on Rakuten, Macy's, most of the stores that you already shop at. And some of the other stores like that are not even luxury type of stores. I hope I remember that I told you I bought these from Saks and I didn't say Bloomingdale's. I bought my other Gucci sandals from Bloomingdale's. I got these from Saks. So yeah guys, I definitely recommend these. Let me try them on for you really quickly so that you can see them on my feet. Again, I normally wear a size 7, so I decided to get the 38, which is an 8, and they fit perfectly. So let me show you right now. Okay, so these are them. And I'm slipping my pretty little feet on them. And as you can see, there's room in the front. And it's right there in the back. And I'll show you here so you can see. That's what they're looking like, guys, on my feet. They're so pretty, so pretty. guys, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Yeah, I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, put them in the comment section and I will definitely try to help you answer any questions, because I know a purchase like this, you definitely have questions and you want to know firsthand from someone who actually purchased it and has worn it and has had the experience. But guys, these are a yes for me. I love them, love them. I can't say how much I love them. I hope to get a bag to match really soon. You know, something doesn't have to match, but you know, a Gucci bag. But you know, that's on my list to come. Hopefully for my birthday next year, someone will get them for me. Yeah, I really love them. I recommend them. Yes, I think it's worth it. Sometimes you have to treat yourself. If you don't have the money, that's perfectly fine too. They have lots of other different types of sandals that are luxury and that cost a little bit less, that's affordable. Do what your money can do for you. Or if you need to save up, just save up. I know they recently had a price increase on these. They went up like $30 this year. So I'm glad I got them before the price increase. And I'm glad that I used my RAKUTEN discount to get them as well. So again, all of my information will be in the description. My RAKUTEN discount code. If you sign up, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30, so definitely sign up. Definitely check out the videos that I have of the first unboxing that I did and then when I took this back to Saks. I live in New York City, so for those of you who like to watch and you want to see like what Saks Fifth Avenue in New York looks like, those videos are awesome. I'll link them in the description. But thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma For You Style, which is my style page, and Kharyzma For You Fashion, which is my business page, and my website is kharyzmaforyou.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.